we doing today? So I have a tip for you. It's a bit long. It came out of a call I had with a friend, a dear friend, and he's really having a hard time with this COVID situation. So I promise, if you use those 4 questions, if you ask them and if you answer them sincerely, you're going to feel better and you're going to feel empowered. So the first question, you go out, you walk, or you relax yourself a little bit, and you ask yourself, can I accept the fact that I can't accept what's going on right now? Yes. Can I accept the fact that I'm not accepting what's going on right now? And probably the answer is yes. But from there you switch the mode, you switch the resistance to what's going on. And from there you ask yourself, what is working in my life? Because I'm sure there are things that are working, there are things that make you feel good. Make a list of those things, make more of those things. Then ask yourself, what's not working for me at the moment in my life? Same thing, make a list. And try to get rid as much as you can of the things that do not work and are not mandatory. And from there, actually, you ask yourself, what can I change so that what's not working for me is not as strong as it is right now? Practice, do that exercise, and work on it. Once you have the answer, use them. And I guarantee things will get better. Because the outside world is what the outside world is. But you do have some power so that everything that's going on right now is not hitting on you so far. Practice and let me know. Have a good one.